Hi there. If you are an absolute beginner in stock market and are looking everywhere to get started with either investing or trading, then this is just for you. We are extending our entire series of learning right here on YouTube for you. A bit about myself. My name is Jitendra. I'm the founder CEO of Trade to Transform, trading strategist and a coach. I'm a chartered accountant by qualification with 22 years of experience. I'm also a NISM certified research analyst and an investment advisor. I've been in the markets from 2004 and into trend trading for over a decade now. We have a flagship program called DST, which stands for Decoding Stock Trading. This has been curated for all the freshers and beginners just like you. In this program, we have discussed the entire foundational aspects of both investing and trading so that you can get started right from scratch even if you do not know anything. Going through this, you shall be fully equipped to get started on your own in stock market if you wish to do so. Of course, we are going to be at your disposal and help if you wish to seek professional help from us in this learning. The DST series will be made available here in our YouTube channel module by module, which in total will run into 20 plus hours of education. Now, this is an effort from us to help those of you who are getting lost all over in this maze of social media trying to learn about trading and investing in stock markets. The best way to go through this is by binge watching the entire series as and when they are made available in a playlist. So sit tight, grab a pen and a book and get started. I sincerely wish that this association is going to benefit you immensely. All the very best and looking forward to a great journey with you. So what are you waiting for? Just click on the next video in this playlist and get going.